All right, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go again. Yes. Don't you want to be on a back road, like just tearing it up with Roscoe chasing you? I do. I really do. I want that to be happening. Yes, I would. I would order moonshine just, whoa, it's that! Look at it! Oh my God, no way. It's like he's almost stopped. I dare you to go push it. Just go knock it over. It'll be like cow tipping, except it's the General Lee. And his head is sticking out of the window. No way, no way. Oh my God is right. Wow. Okay, that's some balance, people. That is some balance. Well, that's what he was talking about, how with the tracks, the two tires do not follow each other like dead on. It leaves two marks. That is just insane. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the General Lee on two wheels. Okay, this is totally worth the price of admission right here. Okay, seriously, the balance that takes is just epic. Oh yeah, wheel bearings, gotta hate it, sidewalls, all of it. Dude. And never hit a cone. Everybody give him a big round of applause.
What did he see? He's got no headlights. Oh.